Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use a ledger. A ledger is a fundamental accounting tool, essentially a book or digital file where all your financial transactions are systematically recorded and categorized. It takes information from your initial transaction records, like journals, and organizes it into individual accounts. This process helps you see a clear, comprehensive picture of your financial standing, making it easier to track money in and out. There are several types of ledgers, each serving a unique purpose. The general ledger is the master record, summarizing all financial activity across every account. Then, you have subsidiary ledgers, which provide detailed breakdowns for specific categories, such as accounts receivable or accounts payable. A cash ledger, for instance, specifically tracks every cash transaction, giving you a precise view of your liquid assets. Understanding these helps you manage your finances effectively. Recording transactions accurately is crucial. For every financial event, you'll identify at least two affected accounts. Using the double entry system, you'll debit one account and credit another for the exact same amount. For example, if you pay a $500 bill, you might debit an expense account and credit your cash account. This ensures that your ledger always remains balanced, providing a reliable and accurate financial record. Maintaining your ledger involves consistent review and reconciliation. It's important to regularly compare your ledger balances with external documents, like bank statements, to catch any errors or omissions. Frequently reviewing your entries helps ensure accuracy and completeness. The data within your ledger is invaluable for generating financial reports, analyzing performance, and making informed business decisions. So keeping it tidy is key to financial health.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.